This machine can help us get out, but we need to put the right commands into it.
I can create the command. But we need to do something with these robots as well, who have been corrupted.
We have to remove the virus from their system, and they can help us then.
How can they help us to get out?
By using artificial intelligence, robots can use this machine to help us get out.
Artificial intelligence in robots? How is that possible?
I'll tell you about robots enabled with artificial intelligence and machine learning in this upcoming lesson. Then you will be able to create the right commands and help us.